Listen. Here, what is the question? Exercise 3.2. Question number 2 I have taken. First question, why I have not done? Because in the first question again same thing. You have to form the equations from the given word problem, and then you have to find out their graph on the graph paper. So I have not given the first question. Second question is what? Compare A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. And then you take whether the lines from these two equations, whatever equations you are seeing on the board, from these two equations you tell what lines you will draw, whether the lines will intersect at a point, or the lines will be parallel, or the lines will be coincident. Intersecting means what? Intersecting means whether the line will be like that, so they will intersect at a point, or the lines are parallel. Parallel means what? They will never intersect. Inconsistent. Or one line you are drawing, on the same line another line is also drawn. Means what? Coincident. If one line is falling on the another line means what? Coincident. Clear? What should be the conditions for intersecting at a point? You know that A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Again you will tell what is A1, A2, B1, B2. If you have not seen the previous YouTube, then you will be wondered. What will be here you will not understand. But again I am telling you, A1 by A2 means what? Coefficient of x in both cases. Here A1 means 5, A2 means 7. B1 means coefficient of y you see, -4, and B2 means what? 6. C1 means what? 8, and C2 means -9. Here you see A1 by A2. In this case, what will happen when they are parallel? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Not equal to C1 by C2. Not equal to C1 by C2. And third one, when they are coincident, what should be there? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So, my dear students, what are the three conditions? If the two lines intersect at a point, then A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If the lines are parallel, once again you listen, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. If the lines are coincidence, means lying one line on the another line, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This I have explained a lot. Now you test in this case. Should I rub this one?
Yes.
I am going to rub this one. Here you see A1 by A2, what will be, my dear students? 5 by 7. You got? You tell B1 by B2 what you are getting? -4 by 6. You cut it? 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So you are getting ultimately -2 by 3. One thing, A1 by A2, are you getting equal to B1 by B2? Are they equal?
No, sir.
Here, no need of finding out C1 by C2. Here, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So what I should write? Therefore, the lines intersect at a point. Therefore, the lines from the given equations will intersect at a point. Finish. Similarly, in the other questions, you don't think that always you will get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Different conditions you will get, and in different conditions you have to write whether they will intersect at a point, or they will be parallel, or they will be coincident.